Rose Collagen Drink Sachet Automatic Packing Machine is provided by Shanghai FUBO Machine Company. It's widely used for liquid products. This machine function, forming bag, measuring, material filling, sealing, counting, date code printing, all the work automatically. The PLC controller has advantages, such as adjust length of the bag, the output alarm, speed, and quantity can control by swith. This machine can be installed to code printed for 1 to 3 lines characters such as production date and expiry date according to your requirement.